ATI credentials. I'm sure you've come to this page because you're evaluating a career in data science, machine learning, and AI. This is a research driven profession. So rather than me sharing with you our credentials, I would urge you to do your research, a fact based research in terms of which institution will help you further your interest in a career in data scientist without burning a huge debt or a liability on your subsequent income livelihood. The way to do the research is number one, what is the level of focus of that institution? Is it doing multiple courses or is it focused on one? Please be aware that to set up any good educational institution, it takes 20 to 50 years. And there are institutions in 10 years which try to offer 100 courses. You have to assess for yourself, is it possible to offer quality, or are they trying to convert education into an Amazon, which is offering all the products? Number two, what is the experience of students and how have students similar to your background succeeded after that institution? It is all very well to say that, okay, I will only take the top 1% and ensure that there's 100% placement of that. That doesn't serve the purpose. The real test is when anybody who is hardworking, sincere, and genuinely enjoys the subject is able to join that course and build a career on that. At ATI, I'm extremely proud and happy and satisfied that over the last 10 years, almost a large number of students have found their calling in data scientists as data scientists, and those who are not interested in data scientists have discovered at a very low cost and low amount of time that this is not a career for them. So both are big advantages. The third one is, how is our pedagogy? We are backed by Redwood Algorithm, which is a consulting firm. So this is the only thing which we know, which is the data sciences and artificial intelligence, machine learning is the only thing which we do. We are at the cutting edge as far as our consulting practice is concerned. So we are not theoretical, we are practical, and we know what we need to do to make our clients succeed, and that is exactly what we teach in class. So the linkage between real life and academics is very close. That is the ATI success mantra.